Tribe palette by Juvia's. I didn't do any swatches for you, so I guess I'm going to do some real quick on my hand. I've already done all of my other makeup except for my lips and highlighter. So let's give this a try. Got towels here. So I'll do the shades I wore yesterday. Let me get my magnifying glass. This is shade Tootsie. Remember, these are crappy swatches on my hand, because if I do them on my forearm, then sometimes you can't see because of tattoos. And this is shade Kuba, K-U-B-A. This was on my lid yesterday. So pigmented. I don't think my eyebrows are dark enough. And then this next shade is shade S-A-N, Sand. I'll put that right here. Then for today's look, I'm going to try just to use the center row. So it'll be an orangey type of look. Honestly, I think that this palette would have been a great spring release. So this color is, I'll read it in a second. Sort of peachy. That one is Oromo. Next will be Chaga and then Kurla for that center row. So let's do Chaga. Remember, you can't always tell how good a shade's going to work on your eye from a finger swatch. I'm not a pro swatcher. Oh, that's pretty cool. And Kurla. I'm using a wet paper towel to wipe my finger between swatches. Let's just go right here. Oh, that's Kurla. This palette has, looks like 4 mattes and, no, actually it's 2, 4, 5 mattes and 4 shimmers. So now I'm going to go to the next row, and that is going to be Masai, Koro, and Ashanti. I'm fairly sure I'm butchering the names, and I apologize. Oh, that one, this Masai feels very creamy. I can put that one right here. Very light yellow green. And then Koro is a shimmer. I'll put that right here. And then the last one, Ashanti, is going to be, I'm not licking my finger, I'm no Kim Kardashian, let me tell you that. And then the last one we will put right here. That looks like a transition color from way back, but these shadows are very buildable, so I'm not mad at that. Okay, let's get to work. So we're trying to do the middle row. So I am going to use Oromo in my crease to start with. I know these are super simple looks, so I know they're not that impressive, but it's fun to do. This is where my blending gets bad right here, because my skin is looser. Because I'm older, but I don't really feel like I want to get no plastic surgery to tighten my eyelids. I don't think I could do it. All right, let's get more on here. Again, this would have been a great spring release palette because the colors are very springy. I wonder if they're going to do the Warrior 3 palette. I had thought they were going to. I like how these are buildable though. So we're gonna go, we didn't go bowling last night because I waited too long. And I was waiting for Mark and he was waiting for me and no one said nothing. So we went to have some food at Sherry's. But we're gonna buy groceries tonight because we're going to his sister's for Christmas Eve. And then also, so we're gonna try to make chorizo stuffed bacon wrapped dates for us to take over. Besides, we're taking the ham over. Hey, Mark.
Yeah.
Are we still gonna try to do the radishes?
Can if you want.
Roasted radishes, maybe. So it'll be a test kitchen exclusive. So let me do some blending up in here. My Bdellium tools. So if you're getting older like me, maybe you have some disabilities, you really want to look at these Bdellium golden triangle brushes because they're triangular and they're easy to hold. When I'm writing and stuff, I like a bigger pen because I can't use my left hand to write with very well anymore since my incident. I think that now I'm going to actually go into this darker shade Kurla. I know it's a shimmer, but who says you can't put shimmer in your brow, in your crease? I don't know who told me that rule. Somewhere someone said that was a thing and people followed it. Sounds kind of makeup fundamentalist to me. Oh, for the love of God. I'm just going to do plain lid action, I think, today. So let me get back in this Kurla shade down below. I don't like mine orange shades on my eyes because it pops the blue a little bit. I might make the red pepper sauce tonight for those stuffed dates, or tomorrow or something. Because we're taking the ham, so we're cooking that too. But I like to try new recipes all the time, so that's my thing. I was in more of the first shade, because I don't think it's up enough here. Like I said, it's kind of a springy look, huh? Or springy palette. And I'm just building and building and building because it's fun. And then blending and blending and blending. Alright, now I am going to put the last shade on my lid, Chaga. And I'm going to dampen it, because that's what I do. Anything I'll do, setting, spray. I use the Mayeron mixing medium now that I have some. I feel like there's not enough definition with this, but you know what? Fuck it. I think the definition will be coming with the eyeliner. So my lower lash line, I'm going to use this, what's the shade called? I've had it for a while. Oh, Anatomy. It's from the Jean-Michel Basquiat collection from Urban Decay they had for a while, for a minute. I, of course, bought the whole thing, and then it went on sale. So because of that, I haven't been buying Urban Decay palettes new, because whenever I do it, they dog me. Plus, I don't like that your points expire at the end of the year if you order directly from them. I'll just get it right from Ulta, and then I can use points from Ulta because they're way better. I'm gonna do black on the top with the NYX matte black. Someday I'll be able to do a wing. Ah, see that happen. Now it's an editorial look. Let me see if I can fix it. God, I hate when that happens. I always have these handy just in case. So what I will do is I'll pack a little more. That sort of fixed it. When I'm able to get a new desk, then I should be able to film at the desk and sit down and rest my elbow on something while I do the makeup. But honestly, I do pretty good for what I'm working with. I'm not thrilled with that. And I'm going to smudge my lower lash line with this, I can't even see it, Kurla. So it looks like, hey, my eyes are bleeding. So it's not my favorite look, but I was trying to get, sorry about that, trying to get, you know, the 3 looks out of one palette. I'm feeling a little warm because the heater is on, so I'm going to plot my stuff with the De-Slick, Urban Decay De-Slick. And then lips, I'm gonna use, this is another Urban Decay. This is the liner pencil and wired. I do have the lipstick in wired as well, but I am going to actually use BH Cosmetic lipstick. It's an orange metallic, but I can't find the color name on it, so it's kind of annoying. I'm almost done. That doesn't really match, does it? I guess it kind of does. I'm going to wear it anyways. So let's get with the mascara. Oh, let me do a quick setting spray. I don't know how I feel about this, people. I just did that, didn't I? Well, that dries fast. And finally, I have Amrezy. I got the Amrezy this time. Because I didn't have FOMO, fear of missing out, on a highlighter. I'm going to call this like orangey glad I didn't say banana. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great evening. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. If you didn't, you can do it anyways. It's not going to hurt nobody. And hit the little bell if you subscribe to be reminded when I upload again. Bye-bye.